Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa the entertainment guys. Namhlanje sizoba ne-video that is very chilled, very laid back. Sizocelebrata former izingane zesithembu superstars or reality stars rather. Reality TV stars. Number 1 is Umpilo, secondly Vuyokazi, and then Utirelo ke, and featuring Umayeni guys. First and foremost Umpilo guys, after ke Uthando Nesithembu ended, managed to back herself a paid partnership deal for medicine ye flu, right? And I did see people were throwing shade ke sana ababambukele kuthando nesithembu. First and foremost sizokhumbula into ba uDadomseleko the day launcha abantwana okanye stealing, let me just use the word stealing the kids to launch Baby Met to them. Waye ke waqala ngoMpilo wathi Mpilo nanku umntana wakokwenu ndicela umbambe, wathi Mpilo it can't be me tata, I will not do that. Mpilo wayengafuna ukubamba umntana, tata ndineflu, you understand, I cannot hold uBaby Meti because ndineflu. Wabeke uDadomseleko esithi no, ndikubonile kaloku wena uye waya emakoneni wayothetha noMakhumalo, so obviously uMakhumalo ukufake lo mqondo ukuthi you must stay away from uBaby Meti. I know very well, you understand. So someone was literally saying now that you having this medication, it means that uzokwazi ke ukumphatha umntana wakokwenu ekungu Baby Met, okay? And another person ke of Uthando Nesithembu also came forward, once again throwing shade. Wambuza into, but did you actually report to Dadomseleko that you have a paid partnership with this medication? Don't wabe Umpilo esithi njani, like why do I have to tell him, like why do I even have to report? So you guys will remember that uMakhumalo wavalelwa ekoneni uDadomseleko after ke uDadomseleko believed that uMakhumalo had a paid partnership for ikhichi lakhe earlier li 700 and something thousand rands guys, but uMakhumalo was like no, imali yami, my sweat, blood and tears, elikhichi ikhichi endanizosponsalisha likhichi elisemzumbe, not elikhichi. Furthermore uDadomseleko wabe esithi andiyazi mba wena uyi-brand ambassador eOmota, so you need to report such things to me. So that person was referring to that scene indoba you need to report everything to uDadomseleko. Wabeke Umpilo engayikhechi esithi I don't have to report that to utata, you understand. So nonetheless guys, abantu they have been saying that Mpilo, we want to support you after the end of season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu. They are saying we are behind you 100%. We are behind you Mpilo, and we want to support you Mpilo. Daisa is motto, and people have been saying we want to come and buy from you to show Dadomseleko that you are going to have a bright future irrespective of whether uyafuna ukuba sempilweni yakho, uyafuna uba ingxenye or akafuni. You are going to be a very successful young lady. uMakhumalo naye ukhona, nathi size viewers sikhona, we will 100% be behind you. So a huge massive congratulations to Mpilo. So moving right along to Vuyokazi guys. Wow guys, this is Vuyokazi's season. Yeah, understand Vuyokazi recently uye wasibonisa ke i-apartment yakhe entsha ese-Cape Town. A huge massive congratulations, because ndive ku social media yey bayakhala abantu base-Cape Town ngoba i-rent is very high, it's very expensive, yonke into expensive. So a huge massive congratulations to Vuyokazi and for securing such, number 1, a clean apartment yakhe, secondly it's secure, inhle nje, like uyabona ulilady. So uyawasivezela ke eclipse zakhe ke nomhlophekazi. They're 100% excited ke besendlini yabo entsha, you guys. So a huge massive congratulations. Then ndatsho ke na ku Facebook guys, but how I wish uVuyokazi mhlawumbi ebeye wa post here on YouTube, because here on YouTube obviously you get paid more. Facebook has been taking when it comes to reels and videos recently. Even Umaki guys has been saying Aibo guys, what is happening to Facebook monetization when it comes to reels and videos? But it might also be that umhlambi, because niyabona uye wabateka abantu be apartment ke umhlambi, they did pay her, so maybe she doesn't need that much of coin to understand that abo bantu they paid her, and then she's also going to be getting Facebook money. Okay, but my advice, I would say, just post on YouTube, because I know abantu bakavuyokazi followers zakhe, they will support her even if she posts on here on YouTube nje, even if it's a 3-minute video nyana esibonisa, here's my kitchen, here's the room, here's the dining room, yabona nje asibonisa around, you understand that she would have made a lot of money. So a huge massive congratulations again to Uvuyokazi Annie. Guys, I also saw Uvuyokazi was trending recently kwibirthday kamhlophekazi apho ebewokhisa umhlophekazi in Umpumelelo besekhoneni. There were some people that were saying, oh, they look so cute, Uvuyokazi noMpumelelo nomhlophekazi. As a result, they were saying Uvuyokazi uyakhophoza. It seems as though ukhopozela Umpumelelo. Okay, and I do want to say, I wish that was the case. I really, really wish that was the case. Because I mean, that would be more work for me to do. Sekuthiwa Umpumelelo noVuyokazi babuyelene, guys. Even uTatomseleko, I think even thanks ma kukhona into abangayiworka out for Umpumelelo and uVuyokazi and uTirelo, as well as Amahle bebonke, just to catch up about how is life, you know, after breaking up with Umpumelelo and all those things. How is motherhood? Uyabona nje, guys. Please, ndicela le video lena nise ku Thanks Ma Productions yini, guys. Oh, hi sana, I'm going through it. I'm going through a lot. But anyways, I unfortunately, let me not say anyways, unfortunately, I doubt intoba things would ever go back to normal between Umpumelelo, because Umpumelelo wathi yena akafunani nentombi yomXhosa next to him. No Vuyokazi wabe esithi, I don't want Zulu, I don't want Xhosa. In fact, I don't want South African men mna ndizodata emazweni, because I am 100% done with South African men. So Uvuyokazi does not want, Umpumelelo does not want. So in as much as sonke we are wishing intoba they could work things out, guys, it is impossible. It is 100% impossible for them to be getting back to each other, because boytu bati abasafunani nje at all. But there's nothing impossible with ugogo Flow. Tatomseleko, please do your damn thing. Guys, but anyways, so yeah, those would be the two stories of Get Over Your Guys. A huge massive congratulations, girl. Huge massive congratulations once again to Get Umpilo. Last but not least, Get Tirelo has introduced Umayeni to the world of paid partnership and brand deals. Siyasambona ke phana ke ku Facebook poste this video ends on fakela yona. They look absolutely gorgeous together sana. Ngicela ukunifakela a video, then I'll be back shortly with the rest of my commentary.
Hi Banyana Baka, another day, another dark and lovely series.
Today, Nalisingers Lemmy, we are fixing each other's crowns.
Henna, it helps with hair length, and then it boosts the shine.
It's my turn now. Hey, when is up? Is it dry? You said we are fixing each other's crown, eh? Yeah, zingapash. Amaga sazi kabasabuka.
Mama, push up, ngeke.
Ukuvela kunjonge twice.
What a beautiful, beautiful video of Tirelo and Umayeni, guys. Yo, they look so beautiful. And a lot of people were sharing all the positive comments. There's comments that were really negative. Some people saying, once wathandwa ngumama zala kesana, just forget indoba indoda izobthanda. But I just want to remind you guys, recently uTatomseleko revealed that umamakhe wayemthanda Umayeni. Umamakhe would do anything for Umayeni, I understand. And guess what? Even now uTatomseleko is head over heels Umayeni. Uyamthanda Umayeni uTatomseleko. So why Guys, are you sending negative vibes to Utirelo saying that akazothandwa ngumpumelelo just because yena noMayeni bayavana and uMayeni is also taking her to some of the events and now Utirelo has introduced her to paid partnerships? Why are you guys saying Umpumelelo is now going to not like Umayeni? I don't think that's the case. I understand. So there are some people that are saying Umayeni is also unfair. Why Amahle naye engamtreat kanjeyana? Guys, Amahle, I think we've all seen that again nguye umntu we-spotlight, akathanda ukuba kwicamera. Even Umpumelelo sometimes yamforsa uba makabe kwicamera. She's a very reserved and very shy person. So masingazilinganisi ke izinto. So yeah ke guys, injalo ivideo yanamhlanje. A huge massive congratulations to Vuyokazi. A huge massive congratulations to Utirelo guys. Ivideo yam for today is ophela apho. Thank you guys so much for engaging me. Thank you for joining me, and most definitely thank you for subscribing. Ndizonibona ngomso. Bye guys.